So friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Blue Star Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple terms. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. The next button is the temperature up and down button. Now, the more you press the temperature down button, the lower the temperature will be. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will provide. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. The more you press the temperature up button, the higher the temperature will be, and the AC will reduce its cooling. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only need cooling and want to reduce your electricity bill, use 26 degrees. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel that 26 degrees is too cooling, set your AC temperature to 27 degrees. Here. And if you're feeling hot at 26 degrees, set your AC temperature to 25 or 24. The next button is fan speed. This controls the fan speed of the indoor unit. It operates in 4 speeds. Currently, the fan speed is set to auto. Currently, the fan speed is set to high. Currently, the fan speed is set to medium. Currently, the fan speed is set to low. You can control the fan speed as needed. If you need to cool your room quickly, set the fan speed to high. The next button is turbo. Normally, when you turn on your AC, the compressor starts within 3 minutes. However, pressing the turbo button starts the compressor within 1 minute, and the indoor unit's fan speed also increases significantly. If you're coming into your room from outside and your room is very hot, and you need quick cooling, you can use turbo. You can use the button to cool the room very quickly. The next button is auto. In auto mode, your AC will work automatically and operate at its own pace. However, in auto mode, you can lower the current temperature by up to 7 degrees with the temperature down button, and increase the current temperature by up to 7 degrees with the temperature up button. The next button is mode. The mode button has 4 functions. Pressing the mode button will display the mode on the remote. Currently, the mode is cooling. Currently, the mode is dry. Currently, the mode is fan mode. Currently, the mode is heating. Now, I'll explain the modes in detail, in very simple terms. In cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and the AC will cool in this mode, and in cool mode, the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode is dry. You can use dry during the rainy season. If there's a lot of humidity and sticky heat, using the AC in dry mode helps remove that humidity. The next mode is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC won't provide cooling, only the indoor unit's fan will operate. Suppose your room doesn't have a fan and you don't need AC cooling, but only needs to use the AC's fan. You can use fan mode. The next mode is heat. Note that you can use heat mode only if your AC supports heat mode. If your AC doesn't, you can't use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, you can use heat mode to warm your room during cold weather. The next button is I Feel. I Feel is a great feature designed for your comfort. The I Feel function of Blue Star AC works through a sensor in the remote that senses the temperature around you and adjusts the air conditioner's cooling accordingly. The remote contains a sensor unit that sends a signal to the thermostat, which then adjusts the cooling to make you feel more comfortable. This function prevents the room from becoming too cold or too hot. Typically, the indoor unit itself has a sensor that senses the temperature around the indoor unit, not the temperature where you are sitting. Some Blue Star models that have the I Feel function have 2 sensors, one sensor located in the indoor unit and the other in the remote. The next button is Sleep. The Sleep mode on Blue Star air conditioners AC automatically adjusts the temperature to create a comfortable sleeping environment. This mode increases the temperature by 1 degree Celsius every hour for a set period. This mode adjusts the temperature to compensate for the natural drop in temperature at night. This ensures that the room doesn't become too cold and uncomfortable. This mode allows you to sleep without having to wake up to change the AC setting. This mode creates a cool, quiet environment. This mode is intelligent and produces less noise. The next button is Swing. This button is for the swing on the front of the AC. It works up and down. Using this swing will quickly spread the AC's cooling throughout the room, and wherever you want to stop the swing flap, pressing this button will stop the AC's swing flap there. Pressing this button again will automatically start the swing flap. The next button is Lock. If you want to lock the remote, long press the lock button for 15 seconds. This will lock your AC remote, locking all the buttons on the remote. And if you want to unlock the remote, press this button again and the remote will unlock. The next function is quiet. Using the quiet function will slow down the indoor unit's fan speed significantly, and the AC will run completely silently. The next button is light. Pressing the light button will turn off your AC display, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button only to turn off the AC display light. The next button is Energy Saver. Pressing the Energy Saver button sets the AC temperature to 24 degrees, and the indoor unit's fan speed will automatically run. For energy-conscious users, Energy Saver mode helps balance cooling with reduced power consumption. This makes it great for everyday use while cutting down on energy bills. The next buttons are Timer On and Timer Off. Before using the timer, you must set the present time on the remote to the current time. Only then can you use the timer on and off. To set the present time, first press the clock button. As you can see, pressing the clock button causes the clock symbol to blink on the remote. Now, use the up and down buttons on the remote to set the present time. For example, if it's 6:21 p.m. on my mobile phone, I'll set it to 6:21 p.m. on the remote, and pressing the clock button once will set the present time. The next button is clock. By pressing the timer on button, you can see the time on the remote. The next button is timer on. To automatically turn on the AC, we must first set the time in timer on. Let's say I want my AC to automatically turn on at 10 p.m. So, using the up and down buttons on the remote, I'll set it to 10 p.m. Now I've added the 10 p.m. time to the remote. Now press the timer on button again, which will set it to 10 p.m. The next button is timer off. Now press the timer off button and set the time for the timer off. As soon as you press the timer off button, you can see the timer off time. It will start blinking. And pay attention to the time you want to turn off your AC. Set that time. Let's say I want to turn off the AC at 5 a.m. So I'll set the time to 5 a.m. And then press the timer off button, and the timer will be set. You can see the timer on and timer off times on the remote. If you understood the information I provided, please like my video and subscribe to my channel.